The diagram shows the points A, B on the curve y equal to 2 root of x. The first thing is let's write this again as 2 then x power half, because it will be much simpler to work with the powers than the square root symbol. Now the line BC is a normal to the curve at B. So the line BC, BC is right here. This one, it is a normal. It means it is at 90 degrees. It is perpendicular to the curve at that point B. This is the point B right here. Now C lies on the x-axis. Okay, C is right here, and the lines AD and B are perpendicular to the x-axis. So these two, they are vertical lines. Okay, good to know. Now part 1, we have to find the equation of the normal BC. So we have to first find this equation. So how can we find this? So again, a normal is a straight line. To find the equation of a straight line, we must first find its gradient. So how would you find the gradient of BC? Now this will lead us to the other part, is to find the gradient of BC, we must first find the gradient of tangent, which is simply dy by dx at the point that we need to look at, which is B. So let's find dy by dx. So why is this? So dy by dx will be what? 2 is only a multiple, leave 2 outside. Then half, we'll have to first multiply by half, and then minus 1, that will be minus half. Cancel out, that will be 1 over root of x. So dy by dx will be this value. And then B is the point given to you by 4, 4. So we understand that dy by dx at the point B, which is x value is 4, that will be 1 over root of 4, that should be the value of half. Okay, that will be my gradient of tangent. Now, we understand that the concept behind is the gradient of tangent multiplied by gradient of normal, because they are perpendicular to each other, will give you the value of minus 1. So using this concept, we realize that the gradient of normal have to be minus 2. So we have the gradient of the normal line, which is BC. Now to find the equation, we just need a passing point now. Passing point is B, obviously, that will be 4 and 4. This is the x value and the y value. So we take y minus its corresponding value over x minus its corresponding value will be the value of the gradient, which is minus 2 over 1. Now again, why do I do this? This is just a technique or method to find the equation of a straight line. Nothing special here. So then cross multiply, you will have what? So y minus 4 is equal to minus 2x plus 8. That will be y is equal to minus 2x plus 8 plus 4 will be plus 12. That will be my equation of the normal. So y is equal to minus 2x plus 12. Now let's move on to the other question. So part 2, we have to find the area of the shaded region. So pretty easy if you think about it. It is just the area under the curve between the limits of here and here. Now this is the point D given to you as well. It is vertically below the curve, as we can see here. So this is the x value, that will be 1. And this will be the value of 4. So limits will be 1, 4. And this is simply the area under the curve between these limits. So part 2. So integration, obviously, to find area under curve, we have to use integration. Limits will be 4, 1. And the curve equation was 2x dx. So first thing, we can just remove this outside. And then that will be x. We have to add 1 to the power. That will be 3 over 2. Then divide by the same power that we have over here. Then finally, we have to add the limits for 1. This is just simple integration we have to know to solve this question. So again, step by step, 2 is only a multiple, so we just take this outside. Right. Then we have to add 1 to the power. So x power half, for half add 1 will be 3 over 2. Then we have to divide by the same power, will be 3 over 2. Now simplify, that will become what? 4 over 3, x 3 over 2 between 4, 1. Now simplify. We can take out the value of 4 over 3 as well. And then on the inside we have, first we have 4, 3 over 2, minus 1, 3 over 2. So 4 power 3 over 2, that will be what? That will be 8. So this is 8, minus this will be 1, that will be 7. So your answer will be 4 over 3 times 7, that will be 28 over 3. Okay, so this will be the area that we need to find. Of course, we have to write units square at the end. This is purely simple integration and some concepts we have to know for finding the equation of a normal. So that will be the question in regards to integration and area under curve.